I just enjoyed all of it, to be honest. I really like creative dancing and stuff that's already choreographed, so I liked the Nutcracker dance.
My favourite part of the class was learning the Nutcracker.
My favourite part was when we had to run and do the skips and hops because it was harder than what we do normally.
I enjoyed doing the arabesque.
So my favourite part of the class today was probably the bit where we had to do the skip hop thing, because I've never learned that step before and it was just quite fun.
I'm Dimitra, I'm a ballet teacher. I came here today to be informed of the new ATAP program. As a ballet teacher, I normally use the syllabus. So this new way of introducing more creativity to the students, it does make a lot of difference. So that's why I'm here today.
My favourite part was learning about the Nutcracker and that it was like different things that when I did what I do at a normal ballet.
My name is Rania. I'm a ballet teacher. I've been teaching for the last 10 years. I'm very passionate about teaching ballet and making sure that children are enjoying ballet as an art form, as well as getting the sense of achievement through their exam. I'm very interested to hear about this program. I've heard so much about it and how it would enhance my own teaching and make my students appreciate performance and ballet beyond just the exams and the syllabus.
This class was different because we did different stuff in different ways.
In my ballet class, we only do like parts of dance, ballet, so it was really fun doing a whole dance.
It was much calmer and more fun.